Hi everyone, this is Anigo TV. Kedife from what is going on? Since 2 days ago now, internet is hot. Ebuka obisi, Ebuka obi yasiro, onye nke asị, onye nke a yasiro. My brothers, you are a blogger, you are a comedian. Must you attack someone before you have traffic on your page or before you have engagement? Because I'm seeing it now as a normal thing everybody do. You must attack someone. You must talk something negative about someone before you get followers or before you get engagement. Yes, I know. It's your money you are chasing. It's your business. Nobody will have right to tell you what to do. Yes, but yes, you may have your point when attacking someone, but sometimes think that an Igbo now is hot. This time now is not time for attacking each other. Ekesikwa n'ama, ebruna n'obi, ekesia n'obi, ebruna na mkpuke. Please do me a favor and share this video. I know a lot of people are saying something that Ebuka Obi is doing is not good. It's scamming. I don't know. Yes, you may think like that, but it may not work like that. It may not be true. You have freedom of worship, like we know. Have freedom of worship. Yes, Ebuka Obi, Ebuka Obi, Ebuka Obi. Yes, like I said before, I keep on saying this. Watch all my videos. I said something about Ebuka Obi. One thing I like him that is saying something that will favor Igbo people in general, especially the reason of Nnamdi Kanu. But now, Matthias Ezak, I see the video you make concerning Zeus. Because I see the video Zeus make. And you already now making live video calling Zeus out to come and answer you, this one, this one, this one. Yes, my brother. But now, it's not time for war. We need to fight what is going on in Igbo land. Insecurity na bai. Anata. Ebuka Obi na-ebu Ebuka Obi. Thank God now watch video Ebuka Obi. Everyone made the girl the reverence. The girl in particular, Matthias are saying. Then I see what Ebuka Obi say there. Ndesi na Mmiri. People that comes from water. Ndesi na Mmiri nyowa. So even na chota na Ebuka manonwe ndesi na Mmiri nyowa. It's true. If you think I'm lying, or you watch this video now, you hear from Ebuka Obi's mouth. Before I continue.
Isi na mmiri were bịa ụwa. Isi na mmiri were bịa ụwa.
Okay, you already hear it. Then, my brother Ebuka Obi, since you believe no nwere ndị si na mmiri nye ụwa, maybe in a lot of girls know ife ndị mmiri na-enyefe nsogbu. Because I watch him, that girl now, because ndị mmiri na-enye nsogbu. Yes, maybe you already see it, not ndị mmiri. But I want to say something. For me, onye ọbụla ndị mmiri na-enyekwa nsogbu, ife niile abụrụkwa I cast and bind. Because you may cast it, the spirit apụa, chela onye a n'ụlọ. But after 2 weeks, the spirit will come back until the person made the needful. Nwa mmiri, onye ọbụla bụ nwa mmiri bụ nwa mmiri. O nwere ife ị ga-eme ka ị gba ọsọ na ya until you settle them or you do the right thing. Some people may go to church after prayer, they will be free. But what works for you will not work for others, because I've got many people. Ndị mmiri na-enye nsogbu. Fajecha ebe niile fajecha. Still, fanalukwu ụlọ ndị mmiri need to stop until they do the needful. So if you are a young girl, you are not yet married, and you find out no ndị mmiri na-enye nsogbu, and you need to go church, je ebe dị iche iche, still, ọ ka na-enye gị nsogbu, do the needful. I will not tell you what to do. You are a human being. Onwe even never na-asị omume machi ekwe na onye ụta atana ya mee nke iji bụrụ mmadụ.